Crude oil triggers a bullish reversal, but can it keep going? But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So let me start with a little bit of the bigger picture first, because that's important to what's happening now, I believe, or what's going to may happen next, I should say. So we have this downtrend line right here, and you can see back in September 21, crude rallied above that line, and and uh, and then stayed above it pretty much, other than a couple drops below it, and it remains above it, and that line is right here. So then we have this large symmetrical triangle pattern. There was a breakdown, subsequent counter trend rally, and then another breakdown, and crude remains in the breakdown position of that symmetrical triangle, which means the most likely scenario at this point is continuation to the downside, unless there's other price movement that changes that scenario. And that bearish signal will first be triggered on a drop below this range here. And you can see I've made it into a rectangle because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days on the bottom. And until we get out of there, crude oil is not going anywhere. So drop through the low at 68.01, has it heading towards this previous low down here at 65.65. And if it keeps going, and there certainly is a good chance that it would, then it is likely heading towards a test of support around the top of the trend line, and this previous swing low right here combined with this Fibonacci level. So the next level we're watching is 63.67 down to 63.30, and certainly it could keep going, but for now that's what we're looking at. On the upside, nothing's happening until there's a breakout above last week's high of 73.27, and strength continues at that point. That next target is going to be the 61.8% retracement of 64.60. And then the 200 moving average up here at 77.50. Unless crude can break out and stay above the 200, the bearish sentiment prevails. Okay, that is it for crude oil traders. Have a great Friday.